Polynomial Operations. Just wanted to show a recap here of some keywords that we're going to be talking about throughout the entire year. Just remember, monomials 1 term, binomials 2, trinomials 3. Polynomial is 4 plus usually, but polynomial actually means it can encompass everything, so just keep that in mind. Constants are terms without variables. Descending order, we're looking at the exponents, so we're going from biggest to smallest exponent in our answers, and all answers always need to be written in descending order. So moving on. Operations, we're looking at adding, subtracting, and multiplying. That's it. Adding, when it comes down to it, it's just combining like terms. I can disregard the parentheses and just combine the like terms. I have 9x squared plus 7x squared is 16x squared. I have 12x plus 10x, which is 22x. And then I have 13 plus 13. Whoops. Which is 26. And there's our answer. Now, not all problems are always laid out nicely like that one. Sometimes they're out of order. It's the same thing. If we're going in descending order, I always just start with the largest exponent. In this case, it's the square again. We're adding, so the parentheses don't really mean anything. We have negative 11x squared plus 3x squared. So it's negative 8x squared. And we move on to x after that. Negative 5x plus 12x is 7x. And then we finish out with the constants. Negative 8 minus 6, and negative becoming more negative. So it's negative 14. Subtraction on the next slide here, you need to watch yourself. Parentheses play a role. If we're subtracting the whole set of parentheses, that means I need to distribute that negative. So I rewrite it personally. Be minus 6x minus 5. And then all you have left to do is combine like terms. 9x minus 6x is 3x. 14 minus 5 is positive 9. No need to factor out the 3, just leave it as is. Similar to the last slide, things will not always be in the order you like it. So first thing I still do is take that negative through. Now this is just me saving some time and saving some room. I just rewrote the second set of parentheses, which is fine. Negative 8x squared plus a 3x squared now, so it's negative 5x squared. We have x is next, so minus 4x, minus 7x, we get minus 11x, and then 16 minus 13 plus 3. Subtraction, you need to watch your signs. Multiplication's next. Distribution to start us out. Nothing crazy still. Distribute the 4. So we have 4 times 2x squared. We have 8x squared. 4 times negative 6, we have negative 24x. 4 times 7, we have 28. And then we're done. Same deal here, we're just gonna distribute an exponent and a negative, so we're changing signs along with it. Negative 3x squared times x squared. Remember, when you're multiplying exponents, you add the variable or you add the exponents, so it becomes negative 3x to the 4th. Negative 3x squared times 5x is a negative 15x cubed. And then a negative 3x squared times negative 3 is a positive 9x squared. Keep going with multiplication, almost done. Foiling first. Remember, that's first, outer, inner, last. That just tells you the order to go in. First terms, x times x is x squared. Outer terms, 7x. Inner terms, we get 5x. Last terms, we get 35. Not done though. Combine the middle. Get a plus, sorry, I was multiplying, so it becomes plus 12x plus 35, and we're done. Let's just check out one more. I'm going to skip 8. I'm going to jump to 9. Same idea though. 2x times 4x. 8x squared for the first terms. Outer, we end up getting a minus 2x. Inner, we get a minus 20x. And then last, we have a negative times a negative, so it becomes plus 5. Combine the middle two. We get 8x squared minus 22x plus 5. Work-wise, I don't need to see this step. I need to see the answer. That's what I'm concerned about. Now, foiling still, but these ones you really need to watch yourself. X plus 6 squared means x plus 6 times x plus 6. So you FOIL that out. Be x squared plus a 6x plus another 6x and then plus a 36. Combine like terms in the middle. Get a plus 12x and a plus 36. There's our answer. A lot of people forget about that middle term. We need that middle term in these ones. Same with this last one, number 11 here. I always tell my students to expand it first so you actually can physically see them being FOILed. First, outer, inner, last. Running through that quickly, you get a minus 10x, minus another 10x, plus a 25. Combine the middle, and that's a wrap. 4x squared minus 20x plus 25.